Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have a never-ending stream of business ideas, while you struggle to come up with even one? You sit there, staring at a blank page, trying to think of the next big thing, but nothing comes to mind. Meanwhile, rich entrepreneurs and successful business people always seem to have a new idea, a new venture, or a new way to make money. What's their secret? Why can't you find that one brilliant idea that could change your life? The truth is, it's not about being smarter, more creative, or even luckier. It's about how you're approaching the problem. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the reasons why you're struggling to find business ideas and how you can start thinking like the rich to unlock a flood of opportunities. Let's get started. Let's start with the first reason why you can't find business ideas. You want to start something that has never been done before. This is one of the biggest traps people fall into. You think that to be successful, you need to invent the next iPhone, create a completely new industry, or come up with an idea so revolutionary that it changes the world. But here's the truth. Most successful businesses aren't built on completely new ideas. They're built on improving what already exists. Think about it. Facebook wasn't the first social network. Google wasn't the first search engine. Starbucks wasn't the first coffee shop. These companies took existing ideas and made them better, faster, or more convenient. But when you're sitting there trying to think of something completely new, you're putting unnecessary pressure on yourself. You're setting the bar so high that it's almost impossible to reach. And when you can't reach it, you feel like a failure. The rich don't think this way. They don't waste time trying to reinvent the wheel. Instead, they look at what's already working and ask, how can I make this better? How can I serve this market in a way that no one else is? So, if you're stuck trying to come up with a completely new idea, stop. Look around you. What's already working? What can you improve? What can you do differently? That's where the real opportunities lie. Now, let's talk about the second reason why you're struggling. You want to make everything complicated. Have you ever had an idea, but then immediately started overthinking it? You start worrying about all the details, how to fund it, how to market it, how to scale it, before you've even started. You create this massive, complicated plan in your head, and before you know it, you're paralyzed by fear and doubt. This is another trap. The rich don't overcomplicate things. They start simple. They test their ideas quickly and cheaply. They don't wait for the perfect plan or the perfect moment. They take action, learn from their mistakes, and adjust as they go. Think about how many successful businesses started. Amazon began as an online bookstore. Apple started in a garage. These companies didn't have elaborate plans or massive resources. They started small and grew over time. So, if you're overcomplicating your ideas, stop. Start simple. What's the smallest version of your idea that you can test? What's the easiest way to get started? Remember, you don't need a perfect plan. You just need to take the first step. Here's the third reason why you're struggling. You're not copying those who are already doing it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Copying? That doesn't sound very original. But here's the thing. Copying is one of the most powerful ways to learn and grow. The rich understand this. They don't see copying as stealing, they see it as learning. When you copy someone who's already successful, you're not just copying their idea. You're learning from their mistakes, their strategies, and their successes. You're standing on the shoulders of giants. Think about it. If you wanted to learn how to play the guitar, would you try to invent your own method? Of course not. You'd learn from someone who already knows how to play. The same principle applies to business. So, if you're struggling to come up with ideas, look at what's already working. Find a successful business and ask yourself, how can I do something similar, but better or different? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just have to put your own spin on it. Now, let's talk about how the rich think differently when it comes to business ideas. First, they're always observing. They pay attention to the world around them, trends, problems, gaps in the market. They're constantly asking, what's missing? What can be improved? Second, they're not afraid to fail. They understand that failure is part of the process. They're willing to take risks, make mistakes, and learn from them. Third, they're action-oriented. They don't wait for the perfect idea or the perfect moment. They take action, even if it's small, and adjust as they go. And finally, they're resourceful. They know how to leverage their skills, their network, and their resources to turn their ideas into reality. So, if you want to start thinking like the rich, start observing, take action, and don't be afraid to fail. Remember, the best ideas often come from experience, not from sitting around waiting for inspiration to strike. Finding business ideas doesn't have to be hard. It's all about how you approach the problem. Stop trying to reinvent the wheel, stop overcomplicating things, and start learning from those who are already successful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you're ready to take the next step in your entrepreneurial journey, check out the links in the description for resources that can help you get started. Thanks for watching, and remember, the next big idea could be yours. You just have to start looking for it.